Hey helpers, Patrick Martin here, your friendly neighborhood therapist with another fidget toy review. As you know, I love fidget toys and anything that adds to the therapy office to help out with clients, especially teenagers, but really anybody enjoys a good fidget toy in the therapy office because it helps them process. I love fidget toys myself when I'm doing work, therapy notes, whatever. I like to be fiddling with something. So we all know as therapists they're super helpful. I have a special soft spot for magnets, all kinds of magnets and ball magnets and spinning magnets and different things, and these cool fidget origami toys and balls and squishy balls and things like that. But this is a new one I'm going to share with you today. This is from one of my favorite fidget toy brands, Bunmo, B-U-N-M-O, and this is a birchwood kind of fidget cube. We're going to take a look at it right now and see what we think. Haven't opened it yet, so we're going to go ahead and get this guy started here. Try not to cut myself. Oh my gosh. There we go. Pop this guy open. Alright, so here we go. Ooh, this guy looks pretty cool, right? You see Bunmo on the label right there. So this guy is pretty cool. It's called like an executive desk little fidget toy, but I mean really, it's good for anybody. Looks pretty durable. Like it because you can move it in all kinds of different ways and shapes, and it's pretty cool. I think this one's going to be a keeper. It doesn't look too cheaply made. It's got like little strings that kind of hold it together here, as you can see. So you flip it around, it all stays connected there. Pretty cool, goes in different directions. I like it. I think it's going to be a keeper. I'll put a link in the description. But so far I've really trusted this brand. They make other cool things too, like these fidget squiggly things, strings, all kinds of cool stuff, fidget toys. But I think every therapy office should be equipped with some good fidgets and durable ones. The nice thing about these is, unlike the squishy balls, you don't have to worry so much about them breaking and leaking and things like that. So I like tactile things for clients. Really helps them process and share and be more comfortable letting you know what's going on. So anyway, check it out. This is Bunmo Fidget Cube, Birchwood. Pretty cool. I'll put a link in the description. Let me know what you think. And if you have any favorite fidget toys that you recommend for therapy office, please let me know in the comments. All right? You take care. Bye-bye now.